Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing an amazing feature on Windows 11 that can help you fall asleep more naturally and reduce eye strain. It's called Night Light, and it's perfect for those long nights spent in front of your laptop or desktop. Night Light works by reducing the amount of blue light emitted by your display and showing warmer colors to help you relax and fall asleep easier. In this video, we'll show you how to enable Night Light on your Windows 11 device. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To enable Night Light on Windows 11, use these steps. Click on the Start button, then click on Settings. Click on System. Click the Display tab. Select the desired monitor if you have a multi-monitor setup. Under the Brightness and Color section, turn on the Night Light toggle switch to enable the feature. Alternatively, you can also click the network icon in the bottom right corner of the taskbar to open the quick settings. Then click the Night Light button. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more like it, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from our channel.